Well, after some reports of pea and marble hail this morning, even 1-inch diameter hail in Montgomery and Boone County, those storms have pulled away. And after a break, more scattered storms popping now, the main threat being large hail. And that's what we've got going on right now in southeastern Tippecanoe County. You can see the warning drawn up here. This storm could produce golf ball sized hail, and the best chance of that would be near Monroe, back to between Gladden's Corner and Clarks Hill. And there it is. There's the new data wiping on. This is just about to cross Interstate 65, just north of Fickle. So if you are in west central Clinton County right now, you might want to bring the car in, because that kind of hail could put a few dents in your car. And this is going to move northeastward, pass very close to the Frankfort area, mainly just north of Frankfort, and head up towards Michigan Town. Otherwise, some other thunderstorms down in the Crawfordsville area, a little pea-sized hail possible in this core east of Crawfordsville. That's moving towards Dover and to the south of Thorntown and the West Lafayette area. This little core down here south of Shadeland, that could put out a little pea hail around Dayton, perhaps near Subaru, and that'll work up towards Edna Mills, and then some rain and thunder West Lafayette Battleground, and just some rain and a little thunder in northeast Benton County. Behind that, there's nothing going on, so we're going to get a bit of a lull for a while. Then what's left of a severe weather outbreak to our west will arrive overnight and early tomorrow morning, perhaps a little more of a severe weather threat with a warm, muggy, I guess we could use that word, kind of muggy night. Temperatures dropping into the 60s, that is it. And tomorrow, a warm, humid, windy day, 78 degrees for the high temperature, but there'll be a price to be paid with the potential severe weather, and you can see highs right there, 75 to 80 area-wide. Precision Futurecast. Again, these storms pull out of here this evening, but notice what happens late overnight, early tomorrow morning. Another round of storms comes in. These will be what is left of the outbreak to our west, and there could be some scattered severe gusts, hail, perhaps a brief weak little tornado mixed up in this, and you can see by 9 o'clock in the morning it's working into our eastern counties, and then we get a break around midday to 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just windy and very warm, still warm and windy at 3. Even at 5-6 o'clock we're fine, but check the clock here towards 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Based on the latest data, this looks like a squall line of storms approaching the state line at that point, with wind, some hail, and can't rule out a tornado or two mixed up in this. That'll blow through the area, and then by 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, it's long gone, and we'll have a more tranquil Friday, though it's going to be windy and cooler with a high of only 58. Nothing more than a morning shower. Patchy frost Friday night, 36. A decent weekend, mostly sunny, 62 on Saturday, 68 Sunday, and then, we go right back to the active weather next week. Rounds of showers and storms, warm weather, perhaps even some severe weather as well, and heavy rain. And that brings up another good point. Tonight, some places are going to get a good 1.5 to 2 inches.